Welcome. If you're tired of your phone making that ringing sound every time you get a Snapchat notification, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn that off so your notifications stay quiet and less distracting. Snapchat is great for staying connected, but those constant alert sounds can get annoying, especially if you're in a meeting, studying, or just trying to relax. Luckily, Snapchat gives you control over your notification settings, and disabling the ring option only takes a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your account settings are located. Next, find the settings icon. It looks like a small gear and is usually located in the top right corner of your profile screen. Tap on it to open the settings menu. Now scroll down until you see the notifications option. Go ahead and tap on that. This section lets you control all the alerts Snapchat sends you. Once you're inside notifications, scroll down through the list of options until you find the ring setting. When you see it, simply uncheck or toggle it off. That's it. From now on, Snapchat will no longer play that ringing